Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question 22 from CBSE grade 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/4/1. The question goes like this. D is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC such that angle CAB, that is this angle, is equal to angle CDA, this angle. Show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. The hint given to us is angle CAB is equal to angle CDE. CAB belongs to the triangle ABC and CDA belongs to the triangle DCA. If we prove the similarity of these two triangles, then we can get the proportionality of sides with which we can prove the given statement. For that, we have to compare the triangles ABC and triangle DCA. In case if there is any difficulty in comparing the two triangles, we can draw it separately. We will be able to visualize the similarities between the triangles. The first triangle is triangle ABC and the second one is DCA. According to the given statement, CAB is equal to angle CDA. The next one is angle C in the first triangle is equal to angle C in the second triangle. Both are common angles. Therefore, by AA similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DCA. Once two triangles become similar to each other, then the ratio of the corresponding sides are proportional. CA upon CD is equal to the side CB corresponds to CA, CB upon CA. Take the denominator from the right to the left, that is CA times CA is equal to CB into CD goes to the right, that is CA square is equal to CB times CD. This is what we have to prove, so hence proved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.